Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make Thai spicy beef salad. It is delicious grilled beef, sliced thinly and tossed with a Thai-style dressing. Let's get started. Use a fork to poke small holes in the meat on both sides. This will help with the marination. Add Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. Or you can use soy sauce. Add fish sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add olive oil or cooking oil. Add ground black pepper. Thoroughly coated the meat with the marinade. Then marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Set aside. Let's make the dressing. Add Thai chilies. Add more for more spicy, add less for less spicy. Add garlic. Add coriander root or stem. Blend well. Remove into a large mixing bowl. Add fish sauce. Add a little bit of salt. Add coconut sugar or white sugar. Add lime juice. Stir well together. Set aside. On medium heat on hot grill pan, place the beef on the grill. Grill both sides to your preferred temperature. I like it well done. Turn off the heat and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before cutting. Slice up the beef. Add beef to the dressing bowl. Mix well the meat with dressing. Add white onion. Add Persian cucumber. Add tomato. Add spring onion. Add Thai celery or cilantro. Toss well. Remove to a plate. Enjoy.